Hello, my name is John Smested. I'm the campus minister here at Cabrini High School, also teach in our religion department. And I'm happy to share about a few things about our campus ministry program. Campus ministry provides opportunities for our students to grow in their Catholic faith in a lived experience, both to enhance their personal relationship with God and their relationships with one another as a faith community. Some of the ways in which we do that: we offer retreats annually to all grades, opportunities for the sacraments, including Mass, the Sacrament of Reconciliation, Eucharistic Adoration, other prayer opportunities and experiences, as well as service outreach in the greater New Orleans area. Our campus ministry is very much student-driven and student-led. Our campus ministry team is made up of students from all 5 grade levels, and they meet regularly to plan many of the opportunities for themselves and for the rest of the student body. Very much important to have a lived experience of the Catholic faith here at Cabrini, and campus ministry is part of that.